You always fail at discipline, like you promise yourself, this time I'll stick to the plan, and still, you quit. You know why? Not because you lack discipline, you lack purpose. See, purpose isn't just some big fancy life. Purpose is that deep reason why you're doing what you're doing. It's the thing that makes even boring tasks feel meaningful. Purpose drives you. Without purpose, discipline feels like punishment. With purpose, discipline feels like passion. Most people think purpose means chasing rewards like money or applause. But that's not purpose. That's greed. Real purpose isn't about what you get, it's about what you become. Think about building your physique. If you only hit the gym for abs or compliments, you'll quit the moment results slow down. But if your purpose is deeper, like becoming stronger or disciplined, then you won't need to drag yourself to the gym. You'll go because it's who you are becoming. So how do you even set a purpose? Setting a purpose doesn't mean you sit in your room waiting for some magical voice to tell you, this is your path. Nah, life doesn't work like that. Purpose is something you choose, and it starts with being honest with yourself. Ask, what makes me restless when I don't do it? What would I still fight for, even if nobody clapped for me? That's the seed of purpose. And don't get it twisted. It doesn't always show up as something huge like changing the world. Sometimes it's simply deciding, I'll become the kind of person my younger self would look up to. Or, I'll master this one thing because it matters to me. The moment you stop chasing random rewards and start aligning with that deeper pull, you'll notice life feels less like a race and more like a direction. So stop chasing discipline, build your purpose, and chase it. But you can't do it if you're inconsistent. And to fix inconsistency, you must watch this 1-minute video.